Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna take a look at 3 best effects on Sapphire plugin. So let's get into it. First effect is gonna be Sapphire Blur Mode Curves. So let me add it to the video and there we go. It's basically the transform effect on the After Effects basic, but a better version. So I added both effect on the video for a better comparison. When you want to use the transform effect, you just uncheck the shutter angle and set the value to 180. And in this case, you're gonna scale up, set the keyframe, go back, scale down, reset, and just like that you're gonna have the zoom in effect that has some blurriness on the corner of the video. And as you can see in this part of the zoom in, when I set the shutter angle and the 0, the blurriness is gone, and when I set it back to 180, the blurriness is back. Now let's move on to the Sapphire. In this effect you can control the center of the blurriness. Yes, in this effect, like the transform, you can change the rotation, the scale and position of the X and Y axis. The other thing that you can do is change the brightness of the video. For other option that you get from this effect, let me just set some keyframe and scale up the video. The other option is shutter duration. It just simply is the amount of blurriness and directional blur that effects put on the video. With brightness and shutter duration of this effect, you can make some cool transition. And the last thing about this effect is that you can load some preset that Sapphire already got. The second effect that we got is warp bubbles. It is basically the turbulence displays, but a smoother and better version. The warp effect is so good that you can use anywhere when you want to make a transition, when you want to make an effect. It's so handy and useful. So now I'm gonna add the warp to the first effect for our result transition of this video, making just adjustment for a smoother result and better looking transition. Being smooth in your graph and your keyframe is the key for the better transition and effect. The last effect on Sapphire is Sapphire Shake. It is like the two other effects that I introduced to you. It's so handy and useful. You can use it anywhere for a better result. It gives you not only the shake, the whole control for the rotation, Z tilt, X and Y position, anything that you need for a smoother and better result. More control means better and a smoother result. In this effect, not only you can change the Z, X and Y axis, you can control the channels that you can make some glitchy effect when you got some shake. As you can see, I'm changing the amount of the red and green and it's already looking good. So now we got our final transition. It got some work on it. I need more for a better version, but you got my idea and I introduced 3 best effects that useful and handy and made your mind about it. You can use it anywhere that you want and make cool stuff. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you want more video like this one, tell me in the comments and see you soon.